Teachers' Day speech. Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning. As we all know that 5th October of each year is observed worldwide as World Teachers' Day. The UNESCO proclaimed this day in the name of the real and spiritual educators first time in 1994. It is quoted, "A good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change everything." Dear friends, almost in all continents, people show love and gratitude for the teachers by presenting them flowers, chocolates, gifts, and cards this day. In educational institutions, students deliver speeches containing appreciating words. Here, I also would like to pay tribute to mine and your teachers by saying that, respected teachers, if you were not existed, perhaps you would only grow, not brought up. My dear fellows, by reaching this point, one question raised in my mind. I would like to ask you too to think for a while about what a teacher really deserves, what she expects from her pupils. Can respecting her only for one day fulfill her rights? It's totally clear we all ignore his sayings all the day. He uses to shout for us all the year to make us human beings. And we shout for her only one day in the form of slogans and speeches to satisfy her. Services. By paying only, can we be honored before her? No, it's not so. Being the citizens of developing countries, we are tragically facing the dilemma of lacking respecting the teachers. The example of developed countries is prevailed through the history that those who have given respect to their teachers got developed, and those who disgraced their teachers are developing still. My dear schoolmates, today our teacher is sad because we made her sad by forgetting her standards. Our community standards are contributing more to this disgusting trend. But on our behalf, some things we can do still. Now I would like to explain what a teacher expects from her students. She expects them to be attentive. She hopes from them to be respectful. She awaits them to behave obediently. She thinks about them to be energetic. She means them to be responding. She assumes about them to be questioning. She desires for them to be careful about cleanliness. She wants them to complete all assignments in time. She wishes for them to follow discipline. All these things can practice easily only by our own willpower. Our gifts and our sweet words only will not make her happy, but our actions surely will make her smile. Let's pledge to be a genuine student for our spiritual parents. Because to the world you may just be a teacher, but to your students you are a star. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.